This is the second development log of my progress in developing my very first game. During these last 2 weeks, I was not able to focus on my project at all due to the fact that schoolwork had increased greatly during these last 2 weeks. So, in today's video is going to be way more shorter due to the fact much less has been done. Now, in terms of art, I have not done much. This design has been finished, so this design is finished for the witch character. I also started working on the cat character, but now I'm working on figuring out how the main character will look. So far, I just got a blank head, an idea what the eyes might be, but this can drastically change because I'm still deciding how the eyes should look. I might focus on other aspects, and once I figure that out, I will figure out how the character should look itself. So hopefully, the next development log of the design will be done. In terms of the actual game itself, well, this is very little. The most I've done was I started making a test size for the character to figure out how big should the character be in terms of like how big. I decided that it should be 2 tiles wide, and I'm currently thinking of making it like 3 tiles tall. This is clearly around 6 or 7 tiles long, but I'm still figuring out how big the character be. Once I figure out how the main character should look, I'm able to start designing the character and maybe start designing objects and other characters around that. In terms of genuine programming, I got the player moving to go. As you can see, when I press the mouse, the arrow keys, or the WSD keys, they can move. That's so far all I have in here. Very little progress. Just made a test character, programmed the move, properly set up how the character should be, and so on. My goal for this week is to figure out the main design for the knight character. That's goal number 1. Goal number 2, figure out how big the character should be, the character sprite should be in game. And objective number 3 is to add collision. So that means when the character moves around, it cannot go over the edge of these tiles. These are going to be my main 3 goals I want to achieve during this week. Thank you for tuning in for this development log.